87 over. Make a sum of question. Mr.
87 is over, sir. I have question, please, sir.
Yeah, double questions. You all know double question forms. Was, what, where, when, why. First
87 లో
analyze.
లాస్ట్ అంటే మేము చేసాం సార్ కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ సార్ రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్ సార్ మేము చెక్ చేయలేదు
87 last bit.
అవును సార్ ఫోర్త్ వన్
Okay, first one. Were you born here? Were you born here? In the present tense, in the present tense we say are you. Past tense we say were you. Were you born here? Were you born here? Next one. I was waiting for the bus. Were you waiting for the bus? Were you waiting for the bus? Were you? Wa. That is not a. Wa. Were you waiting for the bus? Yes, I was waiting for the bus. Next. Was there an incident? Was there an incident?
యాక్సిడెంట్
Incident or accident?
యాక్సిడెంట్
Oh, sorry, accident. Was there an accident? Yes, there was an accident. Okay, sir. No questions. Next. Were many people injured? Were many people injured? Next. Was the course useful?
వద్దా అసలు వద్దా సార్ అది
Was the one course, right?
was the course was useful
Was the course useful? Was the course useful? It is more than one, madam. Or that is a singular, one course only. Was the course useful? Was the course useful?
మా ఫస్ట్ వన్ కి ఎస్ ఐ వాజ్ బోర్న్ హియర్ అంటే వర్ యు బోర్న్ హియర్ అంటే అక్కడ
Were you born here?
అది సింగులర్ కింద వస్తుంది కదా ప్లూరల్ కింద
I'm asking you, madam. Were you born here? Singular way. నేను మిమ్మల్ని అడుగుతున్నాను మీరు ఇక్కడ పుట్టారా అని. Were you born here? సింగులర్ అంటే దట్ ఈస్ ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్ సింగులర్, సెకండ్ పర్సన్ సింగులర్, థర్డ్ పర్సన్ సింగులర్ మూడు ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. అంటే ఐ ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్ సింగులర్. I first person. I first person singular. We first person plural. You second person singular. They third person plural. He was. She third person singular. He was. She was. Double questions. Please underline. Delhi. Underline Delhi. Underline Delhi. Underline 1990. Next. Underline good. Next. Market. The market. Next. Manadesham. Next.
week
For a week. For a week. Okay, a week. Okay, a week. Next. Ill. Next, I was sleeping. Underline. Based on the underlined words, frame the double question. Just take 1 minute. You know what, where, when, why, which, who, whose, how many, how much, what indicates information, where indicates place, when indicates time, why indicates reason, whose indicates whose indicates position, And who indicates the doer of an action, who indicates the receiver of an action, how indicates status, how many indicates number, how much indicates quantity uncountable, how long indicates duration, how far indicates distance. So based on underlined words, this terminology. You better write with pencils, madam. If you are directly writing in the textbook, if you don't have pencil, you better write in the notebook. Okay, don't write the mistakes with the book. Book lo correct answers undaలి. That's the reason you better use the pencil. Or else you write in the notebook, and afterwards you can give the right answers to the material. ఎందుకంటే any material ఇచ్చిన future లో the right answers ఉండాలి. If you are writing the wrong answers, that's problem.
Over, sir.
Santosh ji, first two answers.
I was born in Delhi. Where were you born?
Born. This is pronunciation is born. Burn అంటే అది వేరు, మన కాలిపోవడం అది వేరు. This is born. Where were you born? Where were you born అని అనుకోండి, అది వేరు చేంజ్ అయిపోతుంది. Where were you born? That's right. Next.
I was born in 1990. When were you born?
That's it. Your time is over. Next, Shankar sir, third and fourth.
No answer, sir.
Shankar sir, turn on the mic.
What?
Yes,
Shankar
sir.
sir. Answers.
I know, sir.
You don't know?
No, sir.
No. Bhagya madam, third and fourth.
The program was good. How was program is?
How was the program? మళ్ళీ ఈజ్ ఎంత వచ్చినాం అక్కడ ప్రజెంట్ టెన్స్. How was the program?
Okay, sir. How was the program? Next, they were at the market. Where are you?
Where are you?
Where were you?
Madam, we are not in the present tense, madam. We are in the past tense. Bhagya, madam, we are not using am is are. We are using was were. Present tense, past
Actually,
tense.
I am not attend the class.
Yesterday I did not attend the class. Not I am not.
Yesterday I did not attend the class.
Did not attend అంటే లేకపోతే was చెప్పాలంటే yesterday I was absent.
Yesterday I was absent of
to the
class.
class. Absent to the class.
అంటే ఒక హాఫ్ క్లాస్ అయితే ఎలా చెప్పాలి సార్? ఒక హాఫ్ yesterday
I was present for only the half class.
yesterday I was present only the half class.
Was present only for the half.
Where were you?
Now next animal madam.
Fifth one. NTR first movie was Mana Desham. Which is the first movie of NTR?
That's it. Which is the first movie of NTR or what is the first movie of NTR? Okay. Next is one.
We were there for a week. Where you were for a week?
No. Anyone?
Which was
Yeah, which was what? Which is this, right? Okay. Which was the first movie of NTR? Which was?
అక్కడ ఫస్ట్ మూవీ ఆఫ్ ఎన్టీఆర్ అని కూడా వస్తుంది కదా సార్?
What was the first movie of NTR? Which was the first movie of NTR? What madam? I said teaser. Teaser na mero? I said was one. Okay, was.
What?
We were there for a week. Sixth one.
how long were you there?
How long were you there? Duration, madam. How long indicates duration? Duration. ఎంతసేపు ఎన్ని రోజులు ఎన్ని సంవత్సరాలు ఎన్ని నెలలు. So how long were you there? How long were you there? I was absent because I was ill.
Why you want sex?
No. One madam. Why were you absent? Again, first you understand. I takes. I was. We were. You were. They were. See. Again, I just listen. I was present tense. I was not. Negative. I was present as positive sentence. I was not negative. And were you? Yes or no question. But you are was I also sometimes was I. Next one. We were positive sentence. We were not negative. And were we sometimes were you also. Next. You were not. And was I? You are asking was I? Then I say were you? Yes, they were. They were not. And were they? Next, he was. He was not. He was he. She was. She was not. Was she? It was. It was not. He was victim. This is question. This is a question. Next, I was absent because I was ill.
I thought you lost it.
Why were you absent? Why were you absent? Yeah, next. I was sleeping when you called me.
What were you doing when I called you?
What were you
What
doing?
was you doing when I called?
What were you doing when I called you? Shailaja madam and Hemati madam, convention 1, page number is 82. Convention 1, convention 2.
Page number, sir?
Convention, same unit, madam. Go back. Convention.
Practice the conversation below. Conversation 1. A. Where were you born?
I was born in a small village.
When were you born?
I was born on December 12, 1989.
Was there a school in your village?
No, there was not any. So I was in boarding school.
Were you happy in the boarding school?
I was not happy, but there was no choice.
Conversation 2. Where were you yesterday?
I was at my friend's house.
What were you doing there for so long?
We were preparing for an exam.
Conversation 3.
Was
How
the
was
exam?
the exam?
It was tough. It was tough, of course. Some questions were easy.
Was the paper lengthy?
No, it was not.
How many candidates were there in the hall?
There were about 80.
Were the invigilators strict?
Yes, they were very strict.
How was the movie?
సార్ రెండో చదవమన్నారు
Madam?
సార్ రెండో చదవమన్నారు మనం 3 కంప్లీట్ చేసేస్తాం
See, that actually convention 3 is not visible, right? It is not visible. So convention 4 and 5, Santosh ma'am and Hemant ma'am. And Hemant ma'am is over, right? Bhagya ma'am.
Conversation 4, sir.
4 and 5.
4 and 5. How was the movie?
It was okay. The usual stuff.
Useful stuff. Were the songs good?
Some were good, but some songs were too loud.
Was there a big rush?
No, there wasn't a big rush. Tough, it was a Sunday. Though it was a Sunday.
Conversation 5. Where were you last evening?
I was at a reception.
Whose reception was it?
It was my friend's wedding reception.
Where was it?
It was at RTC Kalyana Mandapam.
How were the bride and groom?
The bride was pretty, but the groom wasn't good looking.
Was not good. How was the food?
Food was great. It was the best part.
See, it's unfair, right? The last conversation. How was the bride? How about the bride and groom? The bride was pretty, but the groom was not good. See, it's unfair. It's an unfair statement. See the conversation, what we can learn, madam. First conversation, where were you born? I was born in a small village. When were you born? I was born on December 12, 1980. Was living in a village, no, that was century, so I was in a boarding school. Were you happy in the boarding school? Yes. I wasn't happy because there was no change. Okay, these are all our common sentences. Next one. When were you, so where were you yesterday? I was at my friend's house. What were you doing there for so long? You were preparing for exam. How was the exam? It was tough. Of course, some questions were easy. Was the paper lengthy? No, it wasn't. How many candidates were there in the hall? There were about 80. Were the legislators strict? Yes, they were very strict. How was the movie? The movie was okay. The usual stuff. Was the songs good? Some were good, but some songs were too loud. Was there a big rush? No, there wasn't a big rush. No, it was a Sunday. They were in last evening and as a reception. Whose reception was it? It was my friend's wedding reception. Where was it? It was at RTC College Malcolm. How was the bride and groom? The bride was pretty and the groom wasn't good looking. How was the food? The food was great and it was the best part. So that's the way that you have to use was or madam. So all the things happened in the past. So it very well was or may, no am is that because it's not present tense. So in the place of am is that we have to use was or that's it. That's as it was. Exam IPL, how was the paper? Not how is the paper. How is the paper? Exam asked how is the paper? That is present. Exam IPL, bad lecture. How was the paper? Cinema IPL, bad lecture. How was the movie? Simple as that. Anything is over, is becomes was. That's it. I am, I was. We are, we were. That is verb. You were, they were, he was, she was, it was. Santosha is, Santosha was. Everybody is, everybody was. See, last class, how much I told you this one? All these subjects are so painful. I think so. Did you practice last class? Everyone, someone, no one, somebody?
All are English, you.
Yeah, over right? Yes.
Yes.
You see, so don't think of that much. Everyone, if you take am is a, is over. If you take have has. If you take that regular verb like everyone eats, extra is. And am is also was. Am is also was. Everyone was, everybody was, someone was, somebody was, no one was, no one. Anyone was, anybody was. Always you have to take the singular verb only. Everybody has a car, so the other one sentence. Everybody is present. Everybody was absent yesterday. Everybody has a car in Mumbai. Everybody eats fruits. Eats fruits in the morning. So singular verbs only. Yeah. Slightly related topic. Last time I don't know whether I finished or not. Will be, right? Last class we didn't discuss will be there. We didn't discuss will be there. Did we discuss will be last class?
No, sir.
No.
Maybe not.
No.
Just related, slightly, completely related. Say a topic, singular. So in the present tense, we use see. First I write one example. You will see understand. Saujanya. Saujanya, where now? Are you Hyderabad? Are you in Hyderabad? Say yes or no question. Are you in Hyderabad? Saujanya, Sailaja madam, Saujanya madam, Sailaja madam. Are you in Hyderabad madam?
No, sir. No.
No, you are not. Okay, I'm not. Okay, where are you now? The next question. Where are you then? Now?
I'm in Mangalore, sir.
I am from.
I am in Mangalore. Okay, Sailaja is in Mangalore. Is it in Andhra Pradesh, madam?
Sir?
Is it in Andhra Pradesh? Yes, sir. Question. Is it in Andhra Pradesh?
No, sir. It is in Telangana.
Oh, it's in Telangana. Where is it?
Bhadradri Kottagudem, sir. Singareni area.
It means Mangalore means it's a village, madam. It's a town. Is it a town?
Town.
So close to Kottagudem. After Kottagudem, Mangalore.
Sir, yes, sir.
But distance between Kottagudem and Mangalore is 20 kilometers.
60 kilometers.
60 kilometers. Okay, right. Sanaja is in Mangaluru. This sentence is in present tense, right? Mangaluru. Okay. In 2010, example, Sailaja was. We are in 2025, but I am talking about 2010, which means that is a simple past tense. So we have to go for was. Is becomes was. Sailaja was in. Madam, where were you in 2010?
Mangaluru, sir.
Okay, 2005.
Born and bottom akkade sir, Mangaluru.
After marriage also Mangaluru.
Yes, sir.
అందరికి అదృష్టం ఉండదు. ఓకే సరే ఓకే ఫేక్ సెంటెన్స్ రాదండి.
రాద్దాం sir.
ఓకే 2010 శైలజ వాజ్ ఇన్
హైదరాబాద్. అమ్మో లండన్. హైదరాబాద్ రావడే కష్టం సార్, నన్ను పంపించారు మీరు నన్ను.
అనుకోవడానికి ఏముందమ్మా, అనుకోవడానికి కూడా ఎందుకు మనం అనుకోవాలి. అందుకే అబ్దుల్ కలాం ఏమన్నా డ్రీమ్ బిగ్ అన్నాడు. ఓకే థింక్ బిగ్, ఎం బిగ్, డ్రీమ్ బిగ్. ఓకే 2010 శైలజ వాజ్ ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్ 2030 here in dollars sir we use Amazon for present, was work for past. Simple, very good. Sailaja will be in America. Okay. So what I'm saying here students, am is are in the present tense, was work in the past tense, will be in the future tense. These are like sisters and what? Same roots, but over time is different. If you use am is are in the present tense, finally you can use was were in the past. For future, we have to put it will be. That's it. So yeah, there is one more example. Okay. Today is what? Today is Monday. Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Yesterday
బస్
Yesterday was it?
Tomorrow
Tomorrow will be.
over. This is a concept. Over. So future you can use will be. Will be, not will. Just will be una custom. Amazon was were will be. Okay. See, Modi is the prime minister. Present tense or past tense?
ప్రెసెంట్.
Present tense, sir. Is
Present tense. Okay. Manmohan was the prime minister before 2014. Okay. Future we can't predict. So same name we use. Shailaja Madam. Shailaja Madam will be the prime minister.
అంటే అన్నారు కానీ సార్ ఆ ఊహ ఎంత బాగుందో.
Okay. Okay. Shailaja will be the prime minister. Okay, will be the future. Shailaja will be the prime minister. Is the prime minister? Was the prime minister? Will be the prime minister. Santosha is a doctor. Present tense. Santosha was a student 5 years ago. And ఇప్పుడు డాక్టర్ అయినా స్టూడెంట్ అనుకోండి. She is a doctor now. She was a student 5 years ago. Okay. I am married. This is present tense. 7 years ago, I was a cashier. I am what? Will be my name. Will be is married. There's no will be. Right. Will be also. I will be at Himalayas. Okay. I will be at Himalayas after 2 years. After 2 years. Okay. Right. This sentence. Okay. I was will be. I will be at Himalayas after 2 years. I think we will not only. Right. So I was we'll make one sentence with are now. Okay. We are here.
అన్ని గారు వర్బ్ V2 కంబైన్ ఉంది సార్. ఐఎమ్ మ్యారీడ్.
Here is now good question. It is not V2 here. It is an adjective. See, they have some adjectives like ed adjectives like interested, frustrated, I am frustrated, I am interested, I am shocked, I am thrilled. ఇవన్నీ అనేది ed adjectives. I am interested adjective only, not verb. I am interested, bored, tired, shocked, surprised. I am surprised.
Enjoyed.
I'm surprised. I'm thrilled, scared. Next, scared. Amused. Fascinated. Irritated, frustrated. See, we have to use with Tamil side. I'm frustrated, I'm bored, I'm tired, I'm shocked. I'm shocked with the chair. I'm shocked with the chair person. I'm surprised with my body weight. I'm thrilled about wonderful. I'm scared. Confused also, confused.
Amused.
Amused, entertained, amused. Many things are. I'll give a list of ed adjectives. We learn it. I'll teach ed adjectives. I think we learned it, man, ed adjectives, when I was teaching adjectives. Huh? Interested, frustrated, bored.
Yes, satisfied.
Satisfied, yes, we learned it. That's another thing. I think who asked me, I don't know. Married also comes under that list. Adjective only. I am married, he is married, she is married. Sir, మీరు ఎవరిని పెళ్లి చేసుకున్నారంటే ఎలా చెప్పాలి సార్? ప్రొఫెషనల్. I am married to a doctor. I am married to a teacher. She is married to an actor. I am an actor in place. She is married to an actor. We are at the zoo. ఎక్కడున్నారు? ఆయన ఫోన్ చేశాను. అందరు ఎక్కడున్నారు? We are at the zoo, sir. Okay. 1 hour ago, సార్ మీరు 1 hour బ్యాక్ వస్తే కలిసేవాళ్ళు సార్. జూకి వచ్చేసాను. 1 hour ago ఇంట్లో ఉన్నాం. ఎలా చెప్పాలి? 1 hour ago
We were in
we were at the home. So after 1 hour, after 1 hour, we will be at Charminar. After 1 hour, we will be Charminar. అంటే ఇప్పుడు జూలో ఉన్నాం, 1 hour బ్యాక్ ఇంట్లో ఉన్నాం, 1 hour తర్వాత చార్మినార్ after 1 hour we get the Charminar. So present, past, future, simple as that. Madam, see, my mobile is Vivo. Okay, so 5 years ago it was Apple. After 2 years it will be Oppo. As simple as that. Present, past, future. So, who is she? Sir, she is my friend. She is my friend. Oh, friend. That's good. Okay. But sir, see, she is my friend, sir. But 6 months ago, she was my neighbor. After apartment of 6 months ago, she was just my neighbor. Now she is my friend. I think 6 months ago, friend neighbor. She's a nice girl, sir. In future, sir, she will be my best friend. Right? Just a friend. 6 months back, apartment of neighbor. And an attitude, the sir. Inshallah. So in future, no doubt, sir, she will be my best friend. Future also, sir, definitely. Okay. అడిగిన కొద్ది పంచదార ఆఫర్ తీసుకో సార్ ఫ్రీగానే. సో she will be my best friend. So present tense. There is past tense here. Past tense. Future tense. That's it. Over. The table is simple. I am, I was,
I will be.
we are,
We are. We were.
we were,
We will be.
we will be. You are, you were,
We will.
you will be. They are,
They are.
they were, they will be. He is, he was, he will be. She is, she was, he will be. It is, it was, it will be. Child. Singular. Child is, child was, child will be. Children are, children were, children will be. Everybody, you take anything, everybody, somebody, anybody, nobody, anything. Everybody is, everybody was, everybody will be. Hyderabad is, Hyderabad was, Hyderabad will be. Hyderabad is beautiful, sir. But 100 years ago, it was not beautiful. It was dirty. But after 50 years, it will be fantastic. She is sick, present tense. She is sick. But yesterday she was good, sir. She was healthy. But even though you don't know how she is sick. Yesterday she was healthy. She was healthy, she was fit, she was okay. But today she is sick. She is taking medication, sir. She is taking tablets. Tomorrow she will be fine. Tomorrow she will be fine. See that chamber incident, bus incident happened, right? It passed us. Yesterday it happened. How can you describe or see that? Sir, it was a horrible incident. Sir. Horrible incident. Past incident. It was a horrible incident. Many people, 21 members were dead.
But
Were dead. It was a heart-breaking incident. Heart-breaking incident. Was. Were. Members ఇక్కడ plural ఉంది కాబట్టి were వచ్చింది. Members plural. So were. 21 members were dead. Language. Okay, very good.